Okay. Vlog 13? No. More like Block 688. Oh my gosh, this show sucks. Wait, this show sucks. This show is the wrap up the South Park. You already still love South Park. Anyway, the four characters are like a failure adventures together. How how much is so stupid? How much is too much McDonald's? He's a rapper Eric Cartman. Basso so stupid you're Basso so stupid ugly. He's a wrap up the cow. Hamilton is so lame. He's a wrap up the South Park. Look at the picture is Thomas forgot is he wrap up the Stanford Mars. Look at the picture is ha 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 ha. She is servicing crybaby Hamud. Solemn he can speak like the he's autism. Someone he's a rock from the Kenny from South Park. Look at the picture again. Yes. Ha wait. Ha 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 ha. He's serving a crybaby. Stupid autism. And honey, well, I don't care about him. Not one. Then either not even infinity, not even an infinity. This I mean, she shows so lame. The story is so hell. It's so creepy. Drink the dinner. We wear underwear, we go to naked. Go to school, we wear underwear. Thank God they got cancelled in 2003. I hope you can take up the air soon. Do you know? I don't know. Hit Block 13. Don't leave me. Anyway, hit Block 13. Scar Laminate the Grim Prog 2009 fan. And the Tom returns the Wonder Pets and Cybera Pens. He both hates Block 13 so much. I love Spare Time. So Screw Block 13. Screw Block 13. And Screw Throws. If you like throws, I have an opinion. Anyway. South Park. So 200 million times better Block 13. And the rent. Next time we rent soon. Tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.